At a G7 session, Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan opposed vaccine passport, stating that its implementation will be hugely discriminatory and disadvantageous to the developing countries. He added that COVID-19 vaccine coverage in developing nations is still low compared to developed nations. G7 is an intergovernmental organization comprising Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, United Kingdom, and the United States. Madhya Pradesh police have registered a case against 17 persons for taking out Kalash Yatra, a religious procession at a village in Ratlam district of the state, in which hundreds of Hindu devotees reportedly took part in violation of the COVID-19 norms. A video of the procession that was held on June 3rd shows several women holding pots containing sacred water on their heads, along with hundreds of people participating in the event. Farmers burnt copies of the centre's 3 farm laws near residence of BJP leaders and at other places in Punjab today as they observed Sampurna Kranti Divas to mark the day when these legislations were promulgated as ordinances last year. Farmers carrying black flags raised slogans against the BJP-led central government for not scrapping the legislations, which they said will destroy the farming community. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's image has replaced Prime Minister Narendra Modi's on vaccination certificates being issued to people in 18 to 44 age group who've opted for free vaccination in the state. Pictures of the new certificates have surfaced and they show Banerjee's image with "Be alert, be safe" written alongside it. Trinamool Congress had earlier complained about Prime Minister's image on certificates to the Election Commission. The central government today issued a notice to Twitter giving it one last chance to immediately comply with the new IT rules and warned that failure to adhere to the norms will lead to the platform losing exemption from liability under the IT Act. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology said that Twitter's refusal to comply with the rules demonstrated the microblogging site's lack of commitment and efforts towards providing a safe experience for the people of India on its platform. Tripura police seized a vehicle loaded with nearly 3,100 bottles of cough syrup worth around 12 lakh rupees in Agartala. The consignment was smuggled and was going to be distributed in Agartala and its adjoining areas, SDPO Piya Madhuri Majumdar said. Though we could not arrest the driver, we are confident that we will be able to reach the drug racket, Majumdar added. After Facebook suspended former United States President Donald Trump's account for 2 years over Capitol Hill riots, Trump said, "Our country can't take this abuse anymore. Facebook's ruling is an insult to the record-setting 75 million people who voted for us in 2020 rigged presidential elections. They shouldn't be allowed to get away with this censoring and silencing, and ultimately we will win," Donald Trump said.